Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see how to easily use AirDrop on iPhone, so let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. After turning them on, tap and hold for a second on Wi-Fi to expand the list. Now under Wi-Fi we have the AirDrop button. To turn it on, we tap on it and then we get a small list of options. We can whether choose to turn it on only for contacts or to turn it on for everyone for 10 minutes. I will choose to turn it on for everyone for 10 minutes. Now as you can see here, I am in gallery and I chose to share this picture with one of my friends. Now my friend has to have an iPhone in order to be able to use AirDrop. Now also my friend has to have the AirDrop option turned on for everyone for 10 minutes, just like we have done seconds ago. Now we will see together how I am going to airdrop this picture to him. First, we tap on the share box on the bottom left corner of the screen. This list will pop up from the bottom. We tap on airdrop. Here we wait for my friend to turn on the airdrop, and once he does, he will appear here. Now to share that image with him or to airdrop him that image, I will just tap on the icon on top of its device name. You can see here it says waiting, because my friend or the receiver has to accept the image first. Now the screen that will show up right now is a recording of my friend's iPhone. And as you can see here, as soon as he accepts it, it will start sending. And when he receives the image and the sending is done, it will say sent. And just like that, I have airdropped my friend that image. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Also subscribe to the channel for future solutions to all of your tech problems. Thanks for watching.